There are a lot of different updates to the media bin in Camtasia 2020, so let's look at those. First, we see that there's a new layout. So we can go down here to the lower right, and maybe we want to see these nice big thumbnails of what we're using. Or maybe we want to see a grid. Or maybe we want that grid to be tighter. I prefer to see the list. Next, we can select Unused Media. If we right-click, I see that there's a Select Unused Media button. When I do that, it shows me there are 4 media items I have here in the media bin that haven't been used on the timeline. There is the Delete Unused Media that was also available in previous versions. So that's nice too. We can just pull those out. And then if we wanted to find where is this first thing, I don't know where this is, I can right-click it here in the media bin and ask it to show me where that is on the timeline. When I do that, I see that it selected that item on the timeline. Ah, okay, there it is. Similarly, I can go to one of these items, right-click, and I can ask it to show me where that is in the media bin. Oh, okay, there it is. It's item number 3. And last for these updates, you can double-click the media bin to open or import new media.